Question 13. Here we have a Venn diagram of people biking or getting the train or walking to work. First question then, part A. Write down two events that are mutually exclusive and give a reason for your answer. Well, the bike and train is certainly not mutually exclusive because 5 people get both the bike and the train. However, there is no overlap between walking and either train or walking and bike. So 2 possible options are biking and walking, so B and W, or train and walking. Put that in brackets. You only need one of those 2 for your answer. Justification is that there is no overlap between these events. So question B, it's asking us to determine whether or not B and T are independent. They are independent if the probability of B intersection T is equal to probability of B times by probability of T. So this is the formula we're going to try and use now and work them out separately. So first of all, according to the Venn diagram, what is the probability of B intersection T? Well, we can see that there are 5 people that do that, so it's 5 out of the overall total, which is 25. Simplifies down to 1/5. Okay. What's the probability of B? Any kind of B at all? Well, you've got 4 there and 5 there, so in total you've got 9 people biking at some point on the way to work. So that's 9 out of 25. Sorry, just off the bottom there. 9 out of 25. And probability of T from the Venn diagram is 5 that bike and train, so 5 there and 3 there as well, so 8 in total. And again, it's out of 25. So what's the probability of B times by the probability of T? Well, that is clearly then the 9 out of 25 for the probability of B times by the 8 out of 25 as the probability of T. Okay, 9 eighths are then 72. 25 over 25, 625. Now, 72 out of 625 is 0.1152. Okay, now let's just go back to our probability of B intersection T according to the Venn diagram. Simplify it down to 1/5. 1/5 is clearly 0.2. Okay, so our answer for probability of B intersection T is 0.2. Our answer for probability of B times our probability of T is 0.1152. Okay, that does not equal 0.2. Okay, and therefore probability of B times by probability of T does not equal probability of B intersection T. Okay, and therefore B and T are not independent. Okay, part C. Find the probability that a person chosen at random walks to work. Well, you can see from the Venn diagram that there are 7 people who walk to work, and so that's going to be 7 out of the overall total of 25. So it's as simple as that, 7 out of 25. Okay, part D. Find a random person chosen at random travels to work by bicycle and train. So bicycle intersect train. Well, we actually worked that out in the previous, in part B, the independent question. Bicycle and train, there were 5 people in that overlap. So 5 out of 25 or 1/5. Okay.